making money, we making money, we making money this year. We making money this year. No matter what them do, this be better this year. This year, this year, this year.
Okay, alright. Yes, so my people, now boy, una brother, una neighbor, una cousin, una landlord, una tenant. Now I come again, my own refs. Best, now be my own name. And my brother will be able.
My brother, my name is T Plus. The one name. My brother, you know, this is where we want come do now. I New Year we don't enter. I agree to now. Thank God for last year. Thank God for this year. You know, it's my brother. How you see this year we pass? How you spend your day?
My brother, they say every year they come as they minus they plus for another place. So this is another year 2019. My brother, everybody get ambition. What is your ambition 2018? What you know say you they tried for 2018 when you no finish. God won't give another year, maybe 2019. So make it do it, make it just continue from where you stop. If you fall, you know me say you fall asleep. If that means to say make you stand again. May you do it, may you move ahead, may you try because when a man falls and stands up again, that means he get opportunity to move ahead. But if you fall down, he can't relax. That means you have lost hope. Some people they thought say if there is life, there is hope. My brother, may you fall out like me now. 2019. Some people say they get what do they call them? Say they get this every year resolution. Because what is your 2019 resolution? For me, when I notice me, I don't even get 2019 resolution. My own, I just do it to
package
everything. Think ahead. Follow the 11th ahead. You, my brother, wait there. Wait to say 2019. Any moment from now, we will do election.
And so now next month,
everybody now fight.
Imagine in my area, you know, my area. I don't know what thing that happen again. Election never started. They call the boss vote everywhere. Now, can't they wonder this kind of election? Now we be the first person where they do a presidential election. I bet me wanna help us put more from this thing. Because this is not the tire me. Understand? I make me come decide.
Me, I no surprise, my better people. I no surprise because even people that they fight for their children, their children in school, their children before you even see that you go fill form for gates. That is to tell you that they are living large. You will be say your papa,
your mama,
they are alive. They know even the that channel when they but you then you gonna kill yourself. Anyway, for now, if they fight, either 2 people die today, 2 die tomorrow.
And they not concern.
They not concern.
And the people where they fight for, they not concern about.
They don't even want to know. Their owner to just enter. 2019 don't come again. Let everybody wake from their slumber. Make everybody think. They don't say your vote determines. My brother, you vote, you know vote. They don't know who
they don't know. They don't know.
They don't know who will enter. Your want is just to sit down, relax, and see. Watch that is it. Because you won't know. Because where would they go now? I don't know. Nigeria is getting
bigger and lost.
And every day it is tedious. Every day it is tedious. My brother, anything where they do, just calm down. Look where they come from and where you go. And remember, anything you do, people they wait for you at home. People they wait for you for house. Just take life, JJ. 2019 a very easy one. God don't even tell you say make you do it in.
Make you try our best.
Small. Do the best way if you do and leave the less. Oh yeah, T Plus. Let me tell them for Igbo as they go because the thing don't they pass. Be careful for all my Yoruba people.
Don't afamu T Plus go one day. Only you mafe. Only now obajo dajo like this. But I pass na. If I don't am no and if I no God. This election and they go away for. All when you na ye vote in our vote now and they go away for zona. The Macron motor can Afugo ana ekuna na eme vote. Onwubu case is na na melari na Lagos. Onwubu case is na na melari na anywhere.
They say no violence.
No. See, it is no violence. Understand? If you have gun, I beg keep up for your house. If you have machete, I beg keep up for your house. Anything where you have, anything where you carry for mind for this election, I beg no bring them out because now we be the youth where they fight for the case. The people where they fight for the case, they no matter. They there for the office. They shop money, they palo everywhere, they carry silent, they go. Now we all now we be the youth. the worker say abeg we no need this, we no want that, but them they think say in fact they no value us. Abeg make this 2019 be listen with yourself and be conscious, and also anything wey you wan do be very packaged, and also wetin you have in mind to do try to schedule it. And there's something in this 2019, there's something you will add and there's something you will promote in this 2019, because if I say you no go add, that mean I'm lying. There's something you will add and there's something you will adjust. That's what I'm saying. This election where they come so is no be something you go carry fight for mine. That time reach, I know say they go spray money, but let me tell you one thing you no know. That money where they spray you now the money where they for your account, now they carry, they come out, they give you also. Use your head and use your number 6. Nigeria no dey good now because of our bad government. Make them know wetin dey happen for this country. All of them know wetin they go do and make this country better, but they no wan do am. We the youth dey suffer, and we the youth dey suffer every day. Nobody care us, and that government wey supposed to be dey protect us, now we dey protect ourselves, and government no dey protect us. Abeg, if you dey fight for the election, na for your own. If you dey now if they give you 5,000, you take because of 5,000 like kill your brother. Remember say Ken wey kill him brother, in blood still dey in blood na still dey na in body and hand. Make you no kill your brother and make you think for your brother. That your brother you want say you want kill, abeg full am dey go. Just think wise with your brother. This election where they go, so abeg no take anything about fight. Abeg no take anything as about fight. Abeg, my brother help me tell that say fight is not for this election period.
Okay, now I don't hear that. Make una not waiting. They say no to violence. This one at 2019. How you live your life 2018? I beg. That means to say make you try adjust again for 2019. The most important thing is that who you work with, the friends you keep, check and share now for good, I be now for bad.
The friends wey you dey kill some people now from friends.
Yes.
Maybe I say they like they smoke. Because I know they smoke, I can say, nah, this my friend. And I said, this my friend, they smoke. And see, what in the time this time around, we as a youth, and the reason say anybody will never smoke, it can't be say na problem with that person. And we, I can say na party.
Okay, now I don't sound like people.
Say my friend, they don't make you do your own. Thank you, my brother.
For now, we won't go for commercial. We don't come.
Ìbà Ọlọ́run ọba aláwọ̀ bí ọba tẹrẹrẹ kárí ayé, ọba tó ń ṣílẹ̀kùn tẹ́nìkan létí, ọba tó tilẹ̀kùn tẹ́nìkan lè ṣí. Ọba tó ń sòkú dá alààyè, ọba tó ń yọ alààyè kúrò nínú òkú. Àwárí fún ọ, agbé ọ̀gá àyàn lógo Ọlọ́run ọba àgbáyé. Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní ìbá ṣe kókó, ìbá ṣe pàtàkì.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Alright, my people, we don't come back from market. If I say, well, before we go market, now only me and my brother. Now we don't come enter waiting. We don't want enter the Yoruba aspects. We will carry one of our own brother all the way for waiting. Will be Yoruba.
I beg. No, don't think say as I wear Yoruba clothes, I'm not going to speak. Waiting at the speak.
I make una know what it now. So the thing come like that.
Mo ṣe máa rí nìyẹn àbí ẹ̀yin tèmi ní ilé lóko ẹ ṣáà ti mọ̀. Ilé àpè ní talk gist. Is it not talk gist?
Talk gist. So I say no to violence.
Say no to violence. Yeah. What thing we try to talk we say 2018 don't go. Some people know and they think say at least na normal thing now. Say and we don't enter another year 2019 and we dey January. Now we fit tell ourselves, our people say, hey guy, they think hey, before we know, before the time I dey small, I no get this one. I just see say I dey grow. Later the thing dey there. If that time when I no get at that time, when one of my friends get, how mommy say I go buy what's it called? Spirit. I put that for here so that the thing go plenty.
You don't know say everything get
then I dey find out, but now I don't need that. Even I think that you say every for 4 days now I dey shave this thing.
And
Before you know, the thing go don come. I dey just dey wonder say wetin happen. Hey, that means that thing dey show me say I don dey every day get time and I don dey hold on small small. I don dey adult now. Abeg my brother, tell me, you wey be say you just think say life, you don enter life, you don meet yourself for life, inside life. Wetin you wan do, you no know. Hey, wetin you wan do, you no know. No be say you no know, you know. You go say Kemi Shati lowo ole lo bomo je. Abeg tell me, if you no work, shey you go fit get money.
That's so my brother. Una don hear that be that o. Wetin una need to do be say you wey don sleep, wake up. Wake up. You don't need 20 million to start one business. You don't need 50 million to start one business. You fit get that 1,000 naira when you dey live on them and you go dey okay pass when you collect 20 million. I get one of my friends wey talk say hot dollar. Hot dollar.
I never hear am.
Hot dollar we say you go do bad work, you go clear hot dollar, then they pursue you up and down. You go see they go do like this, you go don wake up. My brother, e no dey okay. E no dey okay at all.
Hot dollar. And then, before na Yahoo guy I dey hear, but now hot dollar don
na
go.
hot dollar.
Yeah.
Tell me, the one wey dey okay pass na your kobo. Kobo. That one we say you go get 10 naira, you sleep with
the one where I dey collect for cheap. Abi the one where
you work for that. See, you know say na so. Kileju TV don make am dey easy for everybody. You know say e get the same thing. The work wey you know say you do with peace of mind. You work and they pay you na your own. You go fit spend am. Kokobo. Na be that kokobo say salary. They will give you. Don't say you don't work. They pay you your salary. Na be your kokobo. No be say you can't go one company. Then a customer get am. You can't carry the money. You can't run. Na be hot dollar. Because if they no find you, they will find your family. If they don't find your family, they will find your guarantor. If now people say they're wicked, they go enter
for
juju aspect. Who can lose?
Hot dollar, kokobo. Abeg,
You don't see am.
hot dollar,
Kokobo. Una don see the level now. Wetin you do last year wey you no fit finish? Sit down. Look am. Draw your map. Say okay, na like this I wan do. Na like this I wan do. E no easy. Na somebody enter studio wey talk say wetin put am last year wey no work for am. E no make e do am again this year. E no easy. Everybody dey learn. Everybody dey try. You understand? Let's just wake up and face reality. Your papa no get money, your mama no get money.
Even
they don't do that mistake. My Yoruba brother, my Igbo brother, if we, you and him no get money, is our fault. Now our own fault be that. Because say me, you and him, we no get money, no need to do violence.
2019 election don
testimony.
e don enter. Because before you know now, before you sleep and say you wake up like this.
February don't come. February just 2 hours later.
February don't come.
2 hours minutes now.
Hey, na 2 things o. I dey call am Fair Atiku or February. Na the 2 million I dey know. It's either you Fair Atiku or you Fair Buhari. Now you can't know where you want Fair.
Na so.
Hey, Abi.
Na so.
Mickey. Abi best.
Abi. Wetin we go do?
I don't go best. She make I have to say who you want vote for.
Me get.
Yeah.
See, you vote, you don't vote.
They don't know.
They don't know.
See, they don't know person wey go sit for that seat.
Brother, they don't know.
Yeah, Fair Atiku.
Me I know.
You fair
anyone wey you want fair.
You fair Buhari. Just dey fair anything fairable.
Anything fair.
Fair anything fairable. Our own is that anytime anybody wey go there wey sit down do the right thing.
Yeah, and I dey tell my people say abeg. Either they give you money or they don't give you money.
Vote your mind.
Vote your mind. Don't sell your right. Don't sell your vote, yo. Hey, because of 10 naira. Because you know what those politicians they do now? They say Dibo Kosebe. You don't hear that one before? Dibo Kosebe. Vote and cook soup. Dibo Kosebe. Dibo Kojeun. Because they don't say they give you money, either na 1,000 they give you or 2,000 naira. That day, you know, because that 1,000 naira, I tell you, people where they give 2,000 naira. 1 year 500 naira. Another year 500 make 1,000. Another year
that 4 years.
That 4 years 9 be 2,000 naira. you go come suffer for 4 years 4 good years abeg
because of 2,000
naira abeg
when you say on the normal ground if me and you know say if we waka 1 2 3 4 5 days
we go get that
we go spend the money pass not even from collecting
guy if my guy sit down say we wan flex now abeg
spend 2,000 naira
we go spend how much dey say crate of minerals
tell me
how much dey say crate of beer
the crate of beer now is 3 plus
hey abeg I no know that one o
3 plus
but I know crate of malt
beer
crate of malt na 2,750 more than
okay tell me the 2,000 never finish
abi god abeg
wetin
wetin abeg mo na shine na eye mo na wise abeg wetin happen abeg ma tell my people in Yoruba language hey ẹ̀yin tèmi hey 2019 election today o ti wọlé dé
na dey hear am
ìgbà tó wá wọlé tó ń kọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ ká dìbò ká ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ o ọjọ́ ọ̀la wa ẹ má yẹ ká ta o àìdá kẹmu kẹfẹ́ Buhari àbí kẹfẹ́ Àtíkù àwọn méjì yẹn mọ̀ pé àwọn yòókù náà wọ́n wà bí ọ̀rẹ́ mi ẹ̀gbọ́n mi Sowore AAC wọ́n ní ṣe bọ̀bọ̀ either you say you fẹ́ Buhari fẹ́ Àtíkù or fẹ́ ṣe bọ̀bọ̀ àbí abeg all the presidential candidates wey dey come out for any party wey dey come abeg wetin I wan tell you be say then abeg ma I ask you something you wey be say you wan go for any post you go collect loan the loan wey you collect you first do vest for your people after you do vest so that you give them money you invest your t-shirt o you give them money either dem go one rally like you give them 5,000 naira or 2,000 or 500 naira sef abeg that money wey dem collect as loan say dem no go pay am back abeg see
he say
loan after if dem come enter finish abeg dem first pay those loan wey dem collect loan their own pocket
remember you for your
abeg
T plus
that is why
you wey be Igbo if na you dey there you go remember me
for me all mine no be the same one you understand but for me as I dey see so if I sit down for seat now nothing go make me because I know where I coming from you understand if as I suffer enter there I go remember say people wey help me enter there I go still remember them
T plus one name
no forget that one
T plus
no forget about TV
abeg o
everybody mind no be the same
na so see let me tell you my people all this side of the top na dem sabi Igbo enter dem go do their own Yoruba enter dem go do their own Hausa if Hausa enter dem go do their own
as you na as you be Igbo also
no you no be Igbo
anywhere you from for as you enter that city wetin you go wetin dey your mind to do
if you say na me o abeg no if you say na me o Adewale Omolubo work go dey brekete
na wetin I dey talk all my
housing abeg 0 tolerance no corruption abeg
Sanwo-Olu
abi Sanwo-Olu na my
e get something wey get pity of person
like person
like me now if I see you now
person like me
no person like me
no
my person like me as I waka for road when I see all these touts wey dey waka for road like dey plenty for my area wetin I go do when I come to them understand I will say I will advise them I will carry them I will just be like
person wey need money
no I will be like I wan arrest them na when I go arrest them I will go
you fit go advise lion
if you say na me if I see person like them wey you dey talk all those touts all those woes I say omo as I see I go just carry money like my brother Dino you know
no if you doing that one that mean you are doing wrong
no
I will carry them I will carry them
you wan carry them come your house
no I will carry them put them in a position where they suppose stay
which position
even though you no go school there is a place you will stay As the people wey no go
people say
people wey go school.
My people, no, it's better you. I know. Me say I won't come out for.
You know, giving them money.
20 year election. 20
yes, plus all this so that they talk. If those boys say that's I see, they will beat tonight.
Wait till happen. Say, tell me wait.
See, let me tell you.
Asan wasi gbogbo nkan, èèyàn fi láyọ̀. Asan wasi re, asan wasayo.